Konstantin Frolov. It's great to be here. Thanks for inviting. I'm founder and CEO of Cloudstride. And on top of that, looking back, I'm an entrepreneur and manager in IT area with like 20 years of experience. And nowadays, I'm also an angel investor in SaaS ecosystem in different parts of the world there. There was no one aha moment, I should say. It was like a set of different moments. Everything from small things like moving with the family from one region to another, and to big things with seeing these transformational changes that are happening with AI. Just like a decade back, or 2 decades back probably already, similar scale transformational change happened with the cloud, and I had a privilege to ride this wave. So I was following Girish's advice to ride big waves and to follow this AI wave with this new startup, Cloudstride. So altogether, it came in a moment, basically just this year, 2024, and it's a fresh company, but we are looking up for doing great things together with the guys. Well, by the name, I think I can tell that we see success when the customer realizes that they found their stride into whatever area we aim to help them with in the first place. So if they found their stride in customer experience, if they found their stride in customer communication, if they found their stride in knowledge management with Document360, through the products and services that we've delivered, then we realized it was a successful engagement with the customer. And actually, Document360 has been the first out there, and surprisingly, it even happened before Document360 joined the SaaS22 ecosystem. And we met on SaaS Boom in Chennai, India, with Sumitra, the channel leader at Document360, and I was actually impressed by their like sharp positioning in between these basic knowledge-based modules that are there in help desk tools that you would typically have, like Freshdesk or Zendesk. These tools I've been working with for many years, and I know their capabilities. And then there are these enterprise tools, and Document360 is very well positioned for our target audience, which is like mid-market and like low enterprise level. Therefore, there was like a synergy between the companies when they wanted to start expanding to some regions in Europe, like Nordics, where we are helping them. And yeah, so we started to work together this year, and it's been working very well. The Sumitra's team is very supporting in basically any step of the way, marketing, sales. They can jump on any demo. They can help with solutioning for the customer, and they have funds to invest into growing the certain markets. So wherever they have a strong partner, they're ready to like bring the power to make things happen in this market. That's why I think going forward in 2025, I'm looking forward to growing this partnership together with Sumitra's team. SaaS22 is trying to solve a really complex problem in software distribution area, and the problem is kind of triangled. You need to solve for the vendors, you need to solve for the partners, and ultimately you need to solve for the customers. So SaaS22 is navigating these waters, I think, very successfully so far. What we've been experiencing during this year, and what I could clearly see from these events that happened, the partner days, SaaS22 has been successful in these first 2 steps. solving for the vendors, the ISVs, solving for the partners, bringing them together. Like comparing the first event in Berlin and the second in Amsterdam, you can see the difference, like the scale and the number of people, number of meaningful conversations with the vendors, number of meaningful conversations with other partners. That showed us that SaaS 22 is doing great on this first stages when partners should be brought together with the vendors to establish great partnerships. So going forward and looking into 2025, I'm looking to seeing solving for the end customer, bringing them into the picture, and this will kind of complete the puzzle, and the growth will enable from there. I'm no genius visionary to speak about like 2-3 steps ahead, like what AI will bring. I think top minds in the world are thinking about this, and it's yet to be uncovered. But like as a practical guy, I'm sure that AI will be able to solve so many problems in the partnerships ecosystem for like SaaS partnerships. Like I know SaaS 22 is working on AI partner manager, and if this is handled correctly, I'm sure this will be like such a great addition to the ecosystem. I mean, I can just imagine, because I've in the past I've handled numerous partnerships that have been like multi-million partnerships in revenues with Google, with Asana, with Monday, with Freshworks. And just imagining someone who is there for you 24/7, who has access to all the data, who is quick to provide some information, be it onboarding for a new member team, be it some financial information about due invoices, be it some account management information about like upcoming renewals, be it about customer engagement data, like is the product sticky with the customer. So someone who is there for you with accurate and quick information, that's like, I mean, sounds like a small thing, but it will make a big difference when partnering at scale. So I'm sure that there's a big problem to solve with AI, and then we'll take it from there. Let's start with this. I'm in my 40s now, so the piece of advice would be not to be afraid and lazy to challenge yourself early, and get out there, get out of the comfort zone, and don't be afraid to do stuff.